This is where Barcelona opened itself to the world. Not with noise, but with confidence. Clean lines, salt air, golden light on steel and stone. Port Olímpic was built for speed, but it stuck around because it looked too good to leave. Sailing boats, seafood, and that unmistakable Olympic energy still in the breeze. It's not flashy, it's just sharp. A coastal remix of elegance, edge, and endless views. Let's walk through it, where sport became style and the sea became a stage. Port Olímpic has room for over 700 boats, from sleek yachts to small sailboats that look ready for a solo escape. This marina isn't just for show. It's home to real sailors, weekend captains, and the quiet hum of early morning departures. You'll see vessels from all over Europe, but locals still rule the rhythm here, docking like they've done it 100 times. Sailing schools operate right out of the port, turning first-timers into sea dogs, one zigzag at a time. Look closely. Many boats have names painted on their hulls, little poems or promises left bobbing in the sun. Fishermen still slip out at sunrise, quiet, focused, with years of sea stories tucked into their tackle boxes. Some yachts are for charter, meaning you can live your luxury dream, at least until the rental clock runs out. There's a calm rhythm to dock life. Ropes creak, sails flap, and the water slaps softly against the pier. Maintenance happens right on the water, diving masts, toolkits, and guys who know how to fix anything that floats. At sunset, the port lights up with soft gold, boats reflecting the sky, and everyone slowing down without needing a reason. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing. Some boats docked here are worth more than apartments, and some are basically floating apartments themselves. You'll see catamarans, sailboats, and sport yachts, each with its own swagger, bobbing gently like they're posing for a magazine cover. Most boats here range from 8 to 25 meters long, but a few giants stretch well beyond, and usually come with champagne. Each boat has a story, some used for lazy weekend escapes, others for serious races or long-distance solo voyages. When the wind's right you'll spot boats heading toward the Costa Brava, chasing sunlight along one of Europe's most stunning coastlines. The Hotel Arts and Mapfre Tower rise like two sentinels above the marina, mirror twins marking the Olympic entrance to the sea. Both towers were finished just before the '92 Games, standing tall at 154 meters. They were Barcelona's first real vertical flex. Frank Gehry's massive golden Pesch sculpture sits under the towers, part fish, part flame, part solar-powered art. The fish glows at sunset, reflecting light off its metal scales like a living creature, paused mid-swim above the sand. From here, the skyline is low, clean, and wide, with boats at your feet and that iconic fish watching the waves roll in. You don't need a boat to enjoy this marina, just good shoes, open eyes, and a little time to slow down. The docks here hold more than yachts. They hold stories. Every line, every creek, every faded name has been somewhere. It's not just tourists walking this path. It's locals, sailors, runners, artists, and folks chasing that perfect salty breeze. Every corner of Port Olympic has its own rhythm. Waves tapping, ropes swaying, conversations blending with the sea. And when the sky turns gold, this port doesn't just reflect light. It reflects everything Barcelona stands for: style, space, and soul. Port Olympic has officially been transformed. It's no longer just Party Central, it's now a sleek, open-air hub for sports, locals, and calm. The old nightclub zone, replaced with open promenades, sea view benches, and shaded walkways where people actually want to spend the day. There's more focus on nautical sports and innovation, with sailing schools, marine startups, and new cultural spaces now anchoring the area. You'll also find new restaurants and terraces that feel open and local, fewer velvet ropes, more sea breeze and paella. The whole redesign gives you space to move, to breathe, and to enjoy the port without needing a party wristband. You've just walked one of Barcelona's cleanest lines, where sea meets story and the Marina moves at its own rhythm. Port Olímpic isn't loud. It's steady, confident, wide open. Whether you came for the boats, the breeze, or the views, you leave with a little more calm in your step. Until the next walk, stay grounded, stay curious, and keep following the coast.